Hi everybody, today I just wanted to share a really quick and easy recipe. I've been making this dip for over 30 years. It's perfect for veggies and dip tray. It's also great if you want to dip potato chips in it, and it just takes 2 ingredients. And what I have is a 2-cup container of sour cream, and you'll need 1 envelope of dry onion soup mix. So what you want to do is just empty the sour cream into a bowl. And then you're just going to put in 1 envelope of the dry onion soup mix. And you're just going to stir it up till everything is nicely mixed up. And then I just pour it back into the container. So now we're going to try our dip. It's so simple to make. I have tried other dip recipes, but I always come back to this one. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye.